Kappa Sense, absolute capacitive linear encoders. This is a demonstration unit showcasing the encoder's robust environmental immunity capabilities. Despite environmental distractions, the encoder maintains its focus and consistently presents the absolute position as presented by the orange line above. The unit is constructed from our capacitive scale exposed to sand, scratches, oil, magnetic fields, and infrared light. Our read head is positioned in extreme tolerance levels. The demo system includes capacitive scale, read head, camera. Our visual included read head absolute position, camera position, obstacles. Kappa Sense, solving today's applications better.